Good day. I'm Punitha Balakrishnan, matrix number A20A1911. Would like to present on abstract on radio frequency RAFS app by using Smart Radio Frequency Identification System RFID. Abstracts are created from 5 stages, which is background, aim, key question, expected contribution and conclusion. Firstly is background. The RFID, known as Radio Frequency Identification System, Radio Frequency RAFS app helps to reduce transcribing mistakes, data duplication and lost things. It provides the company employees with the most up-to-date information on item location and status. Customers may also use this app to track their products at any time from any location. Logistic automation employ technology and equipment to help with warehouse operations and fulfillment procedures. The aim of this assignment on innovation logistic information system in TresGo company is RAF apps will bring a reduction in the cost of broker. It is easier to communicate between organization and it is multi-purpose functionable system. This system helps to access the location of the specified area of the products. Next is the key question. The key question is how competitive this invention may be in this rapidly rising technological market. Second question is what are the unique aspects of this application that will benefit logistics, supply chain operations and other activities for the good of a firm. Last question is why is this breakthrough significant for the logistic industries? These are the major questions that we hope to address by applying app innovation to logistics sector. The invention might help business to locate new sources or information about other businesses and its logistics. The innovation's unique qualities includes the ability for all logistic supply chain operations and toll-free road firms to exchange information. The expected contribution for this assignment is the RAFS mobile application has a significant impact on logistics, supply chain, asset and people tracking and other areas. With real-time reporting, RAFS app provide customers with complete control over their cargo, driver status, shipment delivery status and free toll road use. By enabling the features and capabilities of the RAFS app, all important information may be obtained with a single tap. Lastly, conclusion. In conclusion, radio frequency RAFS app helps to reduce the cost of locating or tracking. This smart RFID system, which is known as Radio Frequency Identification System in RAFS app, increases the product production and quality, reduce time and avoid losing items. This app helps to improve the manufacturing control.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is FARAH binti SHAHIDAN and my number matric is A20A1714. Now I would like to present about background and motivation. Logistic innovation refers to the use of technology and resources to manage the fulfillment process, allowing the company to speed up procedure, save time and eliminate human error. The major goal of introducing this application is to make it easier for the client to get information from anywhere and assist them in tracking their things. The system aids in the accuracy and availability of data, and this application allows for improvement manufacturing control. And the software was created with the goal of increasing product production and quality, reduce time and avoid losing items.
Problem statement of RAFS application. The first is how competitive this RFID breakthrough may be in this fast-growing business. There are several applications that is available, but how can RAFS applications able to compete with all of them? The second question is what are the unique qualities of this RAFS application that will help to improve the RFID customer service in this application? Whereas RAFS is a technology application like many others, but what makes it unique or more important to the users? What is this invention vital for radio frequency business is the last problem statement. These are the primary questions that we hope to address with our application innovation. Key question. The first is how competitive this invention may be in this rapidly rising technological market. Individuals nowadays choose a simpler and speedier answer than they did in the past, when they wanted everything to be perfect and secure without any regard for the time concerned. The second question is, what are the unique aspects of this application that will benefit the logistics, supply chain operations and other activities for a firm? The innovation's unique qualities include the ability for all logistics, supply chain operations and toll-free route firms to exchange information while maintaining a great business connection. Why this is a breakthrough significant for the logistic industry is also a quick question. These are the major questions that we hope to address by applying app innovation to logistics and supply chain sector.
As for the model name is Smart RFID, which is there are three main functions. Firstly, scanner. The scanner is used to locate or assist in the location of the things being sold. In addition, the scanner has been infrared scanner that is and determine the type of item included within the box. Next is tracker. The application has an improved tracker as well as a map and journey time. This tracker may be used to directly track the location of the goods on a map. The system invention can help to assess the location of the specific area of the product. And lastly, multiple function. This multiple function purpose function comes with a variety of features such as customer service, Google, email, Skype, location, GPS and other services. The presence of these features can assist user and cut down on time spent. This is because all of the smart features that are utilized in everyday life have already been incorporated in this program.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is LUQMAN HAKIM bin JASNI, matrix number A20B1432. Discussion. A. How can this new innovation of RAPS apps sufficiently competitive in this rapidly expanding sector of the logistic industry? Logistic apps abound. These companies include Stratus, Detective, and Epsilon. Most online applications are for transportation, such as a courier service or moving goods. Applications that coordinate logistic service providers are rare. Developing this app with the goal of reducing the cost of using a broker was a top priority. When a logistic company needs service providers, they contact brokers, also called middlemen, for information. Brokers know all the contacts of legally registered, good-performing logistic companies ready to provide service. These brokers or middlemen usually charge for their service, but logistic companies are willing to pay because they need contact information for reliable companies. RAPS app will reduce broker costs, which are usually high. This app can now compete with others online. B. What unique characteristic does this application possess that will make it especially useful for logistic companies to get better at their jobs? RAPS app has many useful features for logistic companies. One of them allows organizations to obtain service provider information. Each service has a profile with the company names, address, phone number, and email address. RAPS apps offer seat inquiry option. Here, customer can post question or concern about service providers. RAPS app has their features. RAPS apps also has system include QR code scanner. This scanner helps find something. This scanner also has an infrared scanner to determine box content. The system speeds up object location. The app also has a map and journey time. This tracker can track goods on a map. This system also can help access product location. Multiple function, such as this multifunction, has many features. Example include Google, email, Skype, location, and GPS. These features help users save time. And this program includes all smart features used in daily life. C. Why is it significant that this innovation has been made in the logistic industry? The logistic industry is growing rapidly. Geniuses from around the world are developing new innovation. As a result, IT growth has just begun. As the world is always open to new ideas, now is a great time to launch our own. The world welcomes new, relevant ideas. RAFS apps is an important logistic application because it helps companies communicate. RAFS apps allow service providers to learn more about each other, which facilitates inter-firm coordination. With more organization, the company will accomplish more. Having many logistic companies is beneficial. These circumstances will accelerate economic growth too.
My name is SHAHIDAN, daughter of JASWANT SINGH. My metric number is A2082267 and I'm going to present the expected contribution of RAFS application. Major goal of this app is to effectively connect service providers together in this platform so they can track, search, identify items and also person, while also knowing that all of the panels in these applications are legally licensed by the government. RIFT tags are smart labels that contains a variety of data including serials number, a brief explanation and even entire pages of data. By using this RAFS application, organization will be able to reduce the cost of locating or tracking as everything is controlled using a simple mobile device. It has a huge influence on the logistics supply chain, assets and personal tracking and many more. With the real-time reporting, RAFS application lets its users to have everything in their hands, whether they want to look at cargo, travel status, shipment delivery status, or use it for free toll road use. By activating the features and functions of the RAFS app, all relevant information can be gathered with a single tap.